BreathFIX Kids Nasal Strip. Step 1. Clean and dry your nose. Make sure your nose is clean and free of oil, sweat, moisturizer, or any cream. Use plain water and pat dry with a towel. Step 2. Peel the strip. Carefully peel the strip from its backing, holding the ends. Avoid touching the sticky side too much. Step 3. Place the strip above your nostrils. Stick it across the bridge of your nose, where the bony part ends and the soft part begins. Press and hold for 10 to 20 seconds. This helps your child breathe comfortably through the nose and enjoy a deep, rejuvenating sleep. If the strip feels strong to remove, wash your face with water. Once it's wet, the strip lifts off easily. Designed with your child's comfort and safety in mind, these soft, skin-friendly nasal strips can be used anytime during the day or night to gently open nasal passages and support natural, easy breathing, completely non-invasive and safe.